This roasted whole chicken recipe is to die for. Not only is it super moist, but it's super flavorful. So start off by preparing the marinade, which consists of a celery stalk that you're going to want to finely chop up, along with 2 tablespoons of shallots that you are going to mince as well. And then zest of a whole lemon along with its juice. The juice from the lemon helps tenderize the chicken. That's why this roasted chicken comes out so moist and tender. Then in a saucepan, you're going to want to melt a whole stick of unsalted butter. And then once that's melted, remove it from the heat and add it to the marinade mix, along with a tablespoon of dried parsley. Mix everything together. Set it aside and let it cool. Then pat your chicken dry with a paper towel, including the cavity of the chicken. Then rub the marinade mix all over the chicken, including its cavity. And then I also like to put some under the skin in the breast area. Sprinkle the chicken, including the cavity, with a generous amount of salt and pepper. Make sure you get it everywhere. Then you're going to want to put the chicken on a small roasting pan to fit it nice and snug. And make sure that that roasting pan is oven proof. You're going to place an aluminum foil loosely over the chicken, and you're going to bake the chicken in the oven for 2.5 hours at 450 degrees. Remove the aluminum foil after 2 hours so it allows the skin to turn a nice crispy golden brown. You'll know it's cooked is when you see the skin between the thigh and the breast start to brown, and it looks like you can easily pull the drumstick from the breast. Usually like to spoon the drippings over the chicken so it has a nice glossy look to it. In our family, this is definitely a weekly dinner where we eat it with my baba ganoush recipe and my Lebanese rice recipe. This is definitely one of the Lorimer's favorite dinners.